Louise. Today I made a mess, but that's not good. Do you want to see how to behave properly? Let's watch.
Oh no, what a mess! Louisa, we need to clean your room. Too much TV is not good. Too much phone is not good.
I make my bed.
Make the bed.
I clean up all my toys in the box.
Toys in the box.
I put my clothes in the closet.
Clothes in the closet.
My room is clean.
Great job, Louisa. I'm so proud of you.
Can I use the phone?
Let's go play outside. Fresh air is better. Okay, sweetie, you can do it.
I think so.
Great, keep pedaling.
This is fun.
You're doing so well.
Thanks. I love it. Can I watch cartoons?
Yes, but only a little. Only good and educational videos, like on Miss Louise channel.
I got it.
Go ahead, sweetie.
Yay, let's watch.
Miss Louise Family!
Clean up, 1, 2, 3. Pick up toys and help with me. On the floor, no, no, no. In the box, they go, go, go. Clean up, clap your hands, make it tidy, that's our plan. Clean up every day, then we go outside and play. Clean out, clean out. Vacuum, vacuum, zoom, zoom, zoom. Clean the floor around the room. Water plants, drip, drip, drop. Happy flowers never stop. Clean up, clap your hands, make it tidy, that's our plan. Clean up, don't delay. Clean your room, then go and play. Play! Hey, hey! No more mess, everything's right. Clean and shiny, oh so bright. Little help and hooray, we can have a fun play day. Clean up loud and clear. We keep tidy every day here. Clean up, good job, yay. Now it's time to go and play. Clean up! KJ!
Good job, Louisa. Your room is so clean now.
I like it when everything is tidy.
Soon it will be Easter. We will decorate eggs and have a lovely day together.